eSIM is very stable and can be used immediately after activation without too much waiting time. One-click installation is really convenient, but it is not a 24-hour system, so if you play until midnight, you need to buy an extra day. It was my first time buying it and I didn't know how to use it. Thanks to the customer service for their quick response and the smooth network connection. You can add it in Taiwan first and use it directly when you arrive. It's very smooth and convenient. You can add it in Taiwan first and use it directly when you arrive. It's very smooth and convenient. I followed the instructions and scanned the QR code to install it on the day of departure, and it activated smoothly as soon as I arrived in Seattle. While my friends in the same group were still scrambling to set up the device, I was already able to report to my family that I was safe. The speed is smooth and the price is reasonable. It is suitable for repurchase and recommended to you. Oh. I have always bought eSIM, especially the one that can be used immediately after purchase, which is very convenient because I don't have to wait until the next day to activate it. It's very intuitive and stable. You don't have to worry about running out of data when you're abroad, which is very reassuring. It's also cheaper than roaming. You can set it up in your original place, don't turn it on yet, and turn it on when you arrive at your destination. Wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute and you can use it. It's really convenient to be able to use the internet immediately after purchase. I hope I can choose my telecom operator in the future. The operation is simple and easy to use. The signal is good and it is very convenient without the need for a physical card. The operation is simple and easy to use. The signal is good and it is very convenient without the need for a physical card. Thank you for your continued support. I am always able to use it comfortably. Thank you. I wasn't particularly concerned about the speed and was able to use it without any problems. This time I went to California, Nevada, and Las Vegas, and the internet speed was very stable. The network is smooth and has good reception even in Banff National Park.